start where Julie, I think, did, of putting him like midway
Okay.
and just telling him to go and seeing if he'll drive on his own.
Okay.
You need them to understand that they have permission to drive ahead of you,
Okay.
which will also come in handy when you're asking them to drive ahead into their position.
Okay. All right, go. Go. Go.
He's like,
Go.
I'll do my 2 on 2 off. Okay, let's see if I can actually get one of these.
I mean, he went and then he stopped and waited, looked back at me. So.
Come on.
Oh, he knows what that is.
Yeah, I'm just hoping I can actually get it some suspense. Oh, slowly but surely.
Oh, he'll drive to it and wait. Trust me.
I know.
I'm surprised he hasn't seen it yet.
All right. Let's see what he does with you now. Now, if he jumps off of it, he's not going to get it out. Of course, it's jammed. I can't get more than 2 spins out of the suitcase. What's the misfortune of going and helping like the world's 2 most effective managers?
Good boy.
All right. Send him on ahead.
Go. Good boy.
Hartley, go.
Go. All right. Go.
So I would just do some of this stuff with him so that he's getting used to going ahead without your forward motion helping him.
Okay. Go.
Just stop. Okay, it's too far for him. So come to like the top of the down.
Okay.
Hartley.
Go.
Nice. Good boy. Very good. I should be going in the other direction. Sorry, Nick. All right, let's do one more from there.
Go. Yay! Hurry up.
Very good. And it's not so much, I mean, yes, this is a big fat lure, but it still gives them the idea.
It gives me the idea to drive ahead, yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, because he definitely, I'm having a hard time with the, I'm having a really hard time with the stop part and not want, I just can't get him to stop and look ahead unless I have a cookie sitting there.
I guess the more I watch, the more I'm okay with the head turning as long as the feet don't go with it. Because that's what I meant to look at with him, was how far off the plank you needed to be to still get his back feet in the zone. But if my dog is here and she's looking around, as long as her feet don't move, her back end's gonna stay on here and all will be right with the world. But the second she gets the idea that, oh, I'll start, where are you?
Okay.
Then they're not bendy enough for her
Right.
back. I mean, her whole thing is gonna come off.
Right.
And I am going to be fussy about, my criteria is that your feet are square off the edge. I don't want any of this.
Right.
Because then if I fall behind, they're also going to want to do their 2 on 2 off over here.
Right.
So
Okay.
I wouldn't, try not to release them to their target when they're looking at you.
Okay.
And try not to necessarily, but I don't know that it's that big of a problem if they look at you as long as
Okay.
I mean,